So now that you own a Realme 6 Pro phone, I'm pretty sure you guys are trying to figure out how to use the default camera app with an external mic, at the same time get that cool bokeh or the background blur effect. Now that you see I've enabled the background blur effect on the Realme 6 Pro camera app, it's a very simple trick to get the external microphones start working on the default camera app. So let's have a look at what I have here. First and foremost, you'll need a 3.5mm jack audio splitter like this. So if you see, one end it's mentioned that can be used for the external mic and the other one can be used for the headphones. This again is a TRRS pin. So if you don't know what TRS versus TRRS means, you can Google it. It's pretty simple. In a nutshell, the TRRS pin has 4 layers like these, and the TRS pin has just 3 layers like this. 3 rings, white rings as you see over here, 3 rings in TRRS, 2 black rings over here in TRS. So most of the phones come equipped with the TRRS female socket, and that's the reason you need a pin like this one. Now the female sockets will mostly be TRS, so I would suggest getting in touch with your seller before deciding which model of this pin you wish to purchase, because there are n number of sellers selling these kind of pins. A few of them come with TRRS to TRRS. This one is TRRS to TRS. So the second tool you need is your microphone itself. So this is a lavalier microphone, and as you see again, this is a TRRS socket, 3 rings, 3 black rings. Now the problem is this TRRS mic won't work with this. So TRRS, TRS, it won't work. What I did was I bought another adapter which actually converts the TRRS into TRS. So this is what happens. Now the whole setup is a TRS setup, and this will seamlessly work with this splitter. I'm attaching this TRS pin with the TRS female socket, exactly where it shows that I need to attach the mic. So now the whole setup looks like this. There's this mic, you can attach it to your collar, and then this goes into your phone. Another cool thing about this splitter is that you can attach your headphones to another end. So the headphone again, please take note, it's TRRS, but the funny thing is, works fine with the headphone jack on this. So this is the total setup. Don't get confused, it's very simple. First you purchase this 3.5mm TRRS splitter, again very easily available on Amazon. Then you purchase a mic which is TRS, attach it over here, and then you attach your headphone over here. Pretty simple. Pause the video, rewind the video, get to understand the basics. Alright, so let's get cracking. Alright, so here's the pin. Let's attach it to the aux port of the Realme 6 Pro phone, like so. It's difficult getting it done by one hand, so bear with me. Right. Okay, so the TRRS splitter is attached to the aux port of the Realme 6 phone. So this is the headphone attached, this is the mic attached. Now the most important thing, and this is the most important thing, like I can't stress it enough, so a lot of people miss doing this step and then complain that the external mic doesn't work. So first and foremost, as I showed you, this needs to be attached. Then every single time that you want to record, you need to go to settings, right? Then you need to go to sound, okay? So, and then you need to go to default audio recorder. See, you can see that. Now I can't force the screen to landscape, so this is how it is, right? So every single time go to this setting, and it doesn't matter if add-on is already selected, you go back to auto select, again go back to the same option, and then again select add-on, right? Once again go to sound and vibrations, scroll, and then over here default audio recorder option. Usually if you haven't explored this setting before, it would be this way. Then select the add-on option, and then you're good to go. Again, pause the video, rewind it, understand the basics, and you can get this working on your phone as well. Alright, so now I will start recording using the Realme 6 Pro's camera app, default camera app. The external mic is attached. So now the video and audio that you see and hear are from the default camera app of the Realme 6 Pro phone. So here we go. Alright, so this is a quick test using the external mic with the Realme 6 Pro camera app, having this background blur effect like the DSLRs do. And as I take this mic away from me, the voice should get mild. And as I bring this mic towards me, it should appear clear, or rather louder. Again, let's do it again. As I take the mic away from me, I'm speaking in the same pitch, same tone. The voice should be softer, and as I bring the mic closer to me, it should be louder. So I'm stopping the recording over here. What I'll do is I'll use my headphones to quickly check if that indeed worked, and get back to you in a moment. And it's a eureka moment. So this is how it sounds when you use a cheap lavalier mic attached to the Realme 6 Pro default camera app with the background blur enabled. So hope this helps. Thank you.